Be sure to catch the next episode of Just Talking It Up on iTunes, Stitcher, your favorite podcast app, or on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
Hey, you forgot our names.
No.
You did. You forgot our names.
Don't be silly. I'm Janet, you're Crash, see?
She's just like a goose. She wakes up in a new world every day.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, May 24th. I am James Spann. A nice, cool air mass blowing in here today. Just perfect weather for the holiday weekend and a long dry spell coming up. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network. Captured at 5:30 this morning. Hey, slept in for 30 minutes. We're on a holiday schedule now. Since the holiday weekend is here, we'll just be doing one video per day through Monday. That's the Demopolis Skycam. Nice to see some daylight out there. As I do these updates, the sky there is mostly fair, just really nice. That's looking north from the Civic Center. There's the Coleman Skycam, getting ready for a sunrise there. And down south, evidence of daylight on the Alabama Gulf Coast. And if you are beach-bound for the Memorial Day weekend, gorgeous weather. Sunny days, clear nights. Highs in the low 80s. Water temperatures running around 80 now. So almost that time to kick off the hurricane season in about a week, but no issues down there anytime soon. High amplitude pattern over the nation, trough over the east, ridging in the nation's heartland. Big upper low back in the Pacific Northwest. And the trough in the east is pulling down some cooler air. We got some 50s on the map this morning. Fort Payne down to 54. Birmingham at 60. Hey, tomorrow morning we're expecting 40s around here, very close to record levels. You can see that cooler air nosing in from the north. 30s this morning around the Great Lakes. That's a good way to start the Memorial Day weekend. Severe weather not happening here anytime soon. Rain not happening here anytime soon. Slight risk today for parts of the western high plains. Tomorrow, little risk way up north, and pretty much the same deal on day 3, which is Sunday. And yeah, not a drop of rain here for the next 5 days. This carries us through Wednesday morning of next week, and we probably stay dry beyond that through Friday of next week. Look at modeling. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock today. There's that nice eastern trough down below that, sunny. Nice breeze out of the north. Highs mid to upper 70s. All right, tomorrow morning, upper 40s are possible. The record low is 45, set in 1979. We probably won't break the record, but we will bend the vinyl. And some of you old-timers know what we mean by that. The day will be gorgeous. Lots of sun with a high at or just over 80. Same thing Sunday. A nice cool morning, a warm afternoon with mid-80s. Monday, the GFS is showing 87, and we'll be in the mid to upper 80s all next week, and we'll stay dry. We'll just kind of roll through these. There's Tuesday, Wednesday. Look at the winds coming out there across the plains. Very windy. South wind, but around here, ridging keeps us dry. Thursday, pretty deep surface low over the Dakotas. Maybe some severe weather for Iowa and Missouri, but no rain here. And a week from today, upper high is on the middle Atlantic coast. We're still dry, and high should be, again, upper 80s. Let's go ahead, and by the way, that's the end of May, wrapping up meteorological spring. So let's go out there into meteorological summer. This is June 5th. Evidence of a weak front coming in, maybe some rain. And again, you can kind of see that surface low sitting on the coast of Cuba down to the south. And June 8th, it just looks quiet. And again, there's a weak surface low over South Alabama. And this run doesn't really show it in the classic sense, but almost every run has shown some kind of backyard mischief in the Gulf of Mexico. Just something to watch in coming days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog later today. My next video will be Monday morning at some point, probably mid-morning for Memorial Day. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the updates here tomorrow and Sunday. And if you can, watch us on the news this evening, ABC 3340, on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.